Assalamu alaikum my followers and colleagues. In this video I will explain how to use the Siemens air conditioner remote control. This is the on-off button of the air conditioner and we can turn the air conditioner on and off with its help. We use the mode button to change the mode of the air conditioner. It is possible to set 5 modes with the mode button on this air conditioner: cooling, drying, heating, fan, and auto. Since cooling mode is used more often, we will first explain how to use this mode. We press the mode button and when a snowflake symbol and the word cool appears on the screen, the air conditioner switches to cooling mode. In this mode, we set the air conditioner temperature to 22-24 degrees Celsius. When you want to save electricity, set the temperature above 24 degrees Celsius. Setting the temperature below 22 degrees Celsius is not recommended, as it may cause a cold. We use the fan button to change the fan speed of the air conditioner. The air conditioner has 4 speeds: low, medium, high, and auto. You can choose the low speed when the fan noise disturbs you in the bedroom. As the speed increases, the cooling power of the air conditioner also increases. We press the mode button again and see the water drop symbol and the word dry on the screen. This is the drying mode of the air conditioner and is intended to reduce the humidity in the house. We press the mode button again and the sound symbol and the word heat appears on the screen. This is the heating mode. In heating mode, we set the air conditioner temperature above 26 degrees Celsius. Setting the fan speed to auto fan speed mode in heating mode causes the air conditioner to work more efficiently, because in this case the fan speed will be selected by the microprocessor according to the condensation temperature. Covering the outdoor unit of the air conditioner with snow will only happen when the air temperature approaches 0 degrees Celsius. To switch to auto fan speed mode, we press the fan button several times and when the word auto appears on the screen, the fan will switch to this mode. Additionally, let us state that in heating mode, it will take 20 to 40 minutes for the air conditioner to reach nominal power, depending on the air temperature. We press the mode button again and switch to fan mode. In this mode, the air conditioner works like a regular fan. When we press the mode button one more, we switch to auto mode and the word auto appears on the screen. In this mode, the air conditioner constantly tries to keep the temperature in the room the same. For example, let's say we set the temperature to 25 degrees Celsius. In this case, if the temperature in the room is lower than this indicator, the air conditioner will work in heating mode, and if it is higher, it will work in cooling mode. By pressing the mode button one more, we return to cooling mode. Now we will explain how to use the other button of the remote. With swing button, we can move the lower of the air conditioner up and down. With the help of direct button, we can stop the lower in any position. Sometimes when the weather is very hot, we can use the turbo button to intensify the cooling of the air conditioner. In this mode, the air conditioner will work at the highest fan speed for 15 minutes and after this period ends, it will return to the previous fan mode. The LED button is used to turn the light on the indoor unit of the air conditioner on and off. The sleep button is for the night use. When this button is pressed, a crescent moon and star symbol appears on the screen. In this mode, the air conditioner will raise the temperature by 1 degree Celsius after 2 hours and another 1 degree after a few more hours have passed. For example, let's say we set the temperature to 22 degrees Celsius when getting ready for bed. The air conditioner will increase the temperature to 23 degrees Celsius 2 hours later and to 24 degrees Celsius after a few hours have passed. To exit this mode, it is necessary to press the sleep button again. The shortcut button is for saving a favorite mode in the air conditioner's memory. For example, let's say I like 23 degrees Celsius in cooling mode and medium fan speed. To save these indicators, we hold the shortcut button for 2 seconds. If someone change our setting after us, simply pressing the shortcut button will be enough for us to return to the favorite mode. The timer on button is for starting the air conditioner at a desired time. For example, we go to work at 8 a.m. and turn off the air conditioner. And we want it to start at 6 p.m. in the evening. That is, to start the air conditioner after 10 hours, we press the timer on button, set it to 10 hours and then move our finger away. The timer on icon appears on the screen. To exit this mode, it is enough to simply press the on-off button. Or our air conditioner is working and we want to turn off after 5 hours. In this case, we set it to 5 hours by pressing the timer off button and move our finger away. The air conditioner will be turned off after working for 5 hours. To exit this mode, simply pressing the on-off button is sufficient.